Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the Xbox game bar not working on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. For that one, you just need to go to search menu and type settings, click on open it. On left side select apps, on right side select installed apps. You just need to scroll down to the bottom and select system components. Select the game bar next to three dot icon and select advanced option. Scroll down. Select the terminate option and select the repair option. If repairing the Xbox game bar doesn't work, then select the reset option. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to select gaming on the left side, select game bar, and you just need to turn on this allow your controller to open game bar. And now you just need to press in keyboard Windows key and G key together to open up Xbox game bar and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In services, you just need to find Xbox services. You just need to double click on it one by one and set startup type to automatic and start the service. Select apply and OK for save changes. Do the same thing for other Xbox services listed over here. After doing it, just close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4, you just need to go to search menu and type PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for this both commands. Just copy and paste it one by one. Press enter. Copy the next command and press enter. And after finishing both commands, you just need to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.